Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, welcome to the Gemini era. So if you see nowadays, day to day, every day one or the another LLM models and another new inventions are coming out. So recently Google has released Google Gemini. So even you can see in their websites also, you can see the Google DeepMind website, right? There you can see, welcome to the Gemini era. So they have mentioned it clearly. So this Gemini is more advanced than ChatGPT. Trust me guys, it will blow your minds out. So now let's discuss about this particular Gemini, and we will be discussing what will be the impact of this particular model or else this LLM model if it is released out. What will be the impact on OpenAI or in Microsoft or even any other AI companies? What might be the impact and what will happen to their AI models? Will they come up with something new? We have to see, because now in this particular data science industry or in the AI industry, what it is going right, if you are not up to date, if you are lacking behind for 3 to 6 months also, then it's very difficult to understand the things and catch the race. It is like nothing but survival of the fittest. I guess you have heard this particular quote, survival of the fittest. So now actually that is going on in this particular data science and AI industry. So we'll discuss more about that in the video. Now let's not waste our time, let's start the video. Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification. Now you can see here, this is Google's DeepMind website. Let me just reload it once again. So you can see here, welcome to the Gemini era. So what actually is Gemini? Gemini is built from the ground upon the multimodality, reasoning and seamlessly across text, video, audio and code. What they are trying to say is this particular Gemini, what it is there, right? It can work on text, images, video, audio, and even it can write code for you. Even ChatGPT can do that for you, but it is not that accurate. Gemini is more accurate. Related to that, we'll discuss in detail. So if you scroll a bit down, you can see here the Gemini era. You can see here even they have their own blog post. I'll show you that blog post also, and you can see here Google CEO Sundar Pichai is trying to explain about what is Gemini and what are its capabilities. So you can see the capabilities at down. I'll show you all. Meet the first version of Gemini, our most capable AI model. So if you see here, what they are trying to claim is Gemini is having actually three versions: Gemini Nano, Gemini Ultra, and even there's something called as I guess Gemini Pro. Yeah, Gemini Pro. So now if you see here, what they are claiming this, their highest, like the advanced model Gemini Ultra, it is 90% accurate. So if you see here other GPT models, even the GPT-4 is 86% accurate. So if you see ChatGPT 4, then that is just 86% accurate. It is not just, but it's 86% accurate. That's fine. And what human expert like MMLU models, what they are telling is that is 89.8% accurate. And when it comes to Gemini Ultra, it is 90% accurate. In essence, whatever results these particular models will be providing, so you can expect that they are this much accurate. So if you are giving, for example, a data, okay, so from that data, out of 100, 90 predictions will definitely be correct. Another 10 predictions, it might be wrong or even it might be correct. So the model is 90% accurate. They are trying to tell that. So it comes to this all also the same. So if you see here, the same thing happened to a company called Check India. If you have heard about this company, you can see, or else you can search about that in Google. Check India. It's an actually edtech company. But I guess on November 20, I guess November 20, 2022. So ChatGPT was released on that particular day. After the ChatGPT release, within 1 week, I guess Check India's shares got crashed completely. Like half of the shares are down, and even their market is off down. So that much impact ChatGPT has given to that particular company because of ChatGPT's invention, and many of them were using at that particular time. To say frankly, at that time to use ChatGPT also, it was very difficult because always so many users, it used to always go to the maintenance, like it's not available right now, it used to say that please try after some time, because so much of users were there and so much of traffic was there in ChatGPT. So they have taken many other servers for that. Understand that. And now the ChatGPT usage is very high, but I don't see now there is something called as maintenance, but it's very high right now. But too, if you see, Check India was a edutech company. They used to teach students and other people whoever were there. So they used to teach them related to the courses and etc. When this particular chat GPT was launched, everyone started to ask there. So now what it happened, it has almost the edutech's Check India, whatever it was there, it came completely half down. 50% of its market came down. So that much impact ChatGPT has given. So now we have to see if Gemini comes and if it is that advanced, like how they have showed in their particular video, then ChatGPT might also go down. I expect that, but I'm not sure. Maybe there are 10% chances that ChatGPT can go down, because I guess OpenAI is not going to be quiet. As soon as the Gemini is released, within another 1 month or 2 months, definitely ChatGPT or else OpenAI is going to release some another model which is more advanced and which can do massive work. So I guess even now the OpenAI might be already in the race. They are trying to check what they can do, because there was a news that even OpenAI is going to release GPT-5. We have to see what GPT-5 can do. I guess after this Gemini releases, they are going to release GPT-5. So now let us see here what it is there. You can see the capabilities. Normal general MMLU text, this one models what it can do, representing a question in 57 subjects. Okay, like STEM, humanities, and other, it can be 90% accurate. When it comes to GPT-4, it is 86% accurate in each domain in general. When it comes to reasoning, so like in reasoning, you can see here Big Bench Hard or Drop or even Hella Swag. In all this, if you see, there is the percentages here, like what is the power of ChatGPT or else what percent accurate the ChatGPT can be. Because ChatGPT, in essence, I mean GPT-4. I'm not telling about GPT 3.5, I'm telling about GPT 4. And this Gemini Ultra, what it can do. This is GPT 4 and this is Gemini Ultra. So you can have a look on their percentages. So when it comes to maths, how much accurately can this answer, and compared to that, even this GPT 4. If you see here in math, we people who are learning math, we only get more confused. You can see even in this when it comes to math, even Gemini Ultra is only 53% accurate, and our GPT-4 is 52% accurate. We have to see, because math is not only tough to us but also to the AI models. According to this report, I'm just telling you all, I'm just kidding it out. And when it comes to code, like human evaluation and natural to code, you can see everything, it's like 74% from Gemini Ultra, and from this 67 and 73. You can have a look on these percentages very bit detail. I'll be providing the link of this particular web page below this video description. Let us see what else can it do. And when it comes to video and audio also, you can have a look. So when it comes to video, Gemini Ultra can be 62% accurate. I'll be showing you all the video which they have attached. Based on that, you will definitely get the idea what it's trying to do. Now after this, if you can see, you can even read the technical report if you want. If you just click on this, you will be getting a technical report related to Gemini 1. It's the first version, right? So you will be getting the technical report related to that. So it's of 62 pages. You can have a look on this. Prompt, what is the prompt, and including the mathematical calculations. This is actually a research paper. You can have a look on this. If you read about this, you will get the ground reality, how this particular Gemini model is completely working. You can see they have used transformer. You can have a look on this. Now we are not having that much of time to read this research paper in this particular video, but you can have a look on this. Everything is detailedly mentioned in this particular research paper. So after this, when you come here, Gemini comes in 3 sizes. One is nano. This is for other devices, like if you come with this phones and tablets, in that Gemini Nano will work smoother. So it is for that. And when it comes to Gemini Pro, it's the model for scaling the wide range of tasks. It can be worked on your laptops, etc. And Ultra, this our most capable and most highly complex tasks. What they are claiming is this particular nano, whatever it is there, it can work smoothly on the applications, small mobile based applications and tablets. But when it comes to this Pro, this can work like ChatGPT. It can solve the tasks, wide range of tasks. When it comes to Ultra, this is more capable and this can be highly used in solving the high complex tasks. You're getting my point? Anything else? So you can see here, Gemini can generate code based on the different inputs you give. So you can see here, they are trying to show you the example. Now they are having the example here of a bird's video. Whatever birds are there, they have recorded the video. Birds, or yeah, this is bird's video only. So and here you can see the prompt. Could Gemini help make video based on this? So you can see here, it has written a code for this. It has they have asked that I want a video like this, you have to create me this like this particular video, but even I want the code for that. So you can see here, it has written the code here. So this is the code for that particular task, and you can see the demo here. When the Gemini is released, I'll make another video where we'll be trying out all this. Gemini can generate text and image combined. So you can see here, based on the text and based on the image, whatever it is there, it is showing you all what else can it do. And even it can read different languages also. You can see here the music represented languages they are trying to show here, and based on that it is showing here what it can do. It's showing here what it can do. Just have a look on that, you will get a detailed idea. And when it comes to the hands-on, so here I'll show you all the video. Here I'll show you all this particular video. Okay, let the video to load. Yeah, I guess yeah, let's see this particular video. You all can see this, right? Yeah. The video highlights some of the
All
favorite
right. Testing
interacts
Gemini.
with Gemini.
Here we go. Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table. I see a squiggly line.
What about now?
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yes.
A duck is a type of waterfowl in the family Anatidae. Ducks are closely related to geese and swans. The duck appears to be blue. This is not a common color for ducks. However, there are some
Can you explain how to pronounce the Mandarin one? Is it Yazi?
Yazi is pronounced with a first tone. In Mandarin, there are 4 tones, which are essential to distinguish the meaning of words. The first tone is a high-level tone.
Come up with a game idea. Oh, and use emojis, please.
How about this? We can play a game called Guess the Country.
Sure, let's do it.
Clue 1. This country is the home of the kangaroo, the koala, and the Great Barrier Reef.
Oh, that's easy.
See,
Clue 2.
if you see here, just he has showed his finger on Australia. Immediately it has detected that yes, that's the correct answer. He did not tell that it's Australia or anything. So you can have a look on this.
This country
video
loves
completely,
football
but there
and has
are
won the
some
most
drawbacks
men's
related
World
to
Cups
this.
in
I'll tell
football
you all.
history.
Let's stop this video. Have a look on this video. The website link will be in the description. So the potentials of Gemini. So you can see here, if you read the blog post related to that, you will get more what Gemini can do. And let's go down. So here he is explaining the safety about Gemini. Have a look on all this. So what they are trying to claim is Gemini Pro, whatever that Pro version is there, right? It will be introduced in Google Bard itself. So if you know what is Bard, it's another LLM model which was introduced for the computation, or else you can see it was the computation for ChatGPT, and it is real world connected, and you can even say that even Bard is more good compared to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can give you the answers, whatever answers are there, and whatever complex tasks are there, it can do it for you. But when it comes to Bard, right, you can have a look on that once. Just I'll tell you all one example related to bird, what it can do. For example, you want news, okay? So you can just ask Google Bird that whatever news was happened today in your particular area. Like for example, I want the news, just a small headlines, or else I want the news, whatever happened in Bangalore today, that is 9/12/2023. You can ask that and it will immediately summarize and it will show you all the news, whatever happened in Bangalore today. And let's take another example. If you want to apply for a job, you can directly ask Google Bird, see, I am looking for this particular role and I want you to show me whatever job posts open today. Like for example, I'm looking for a data analyst job, and today 9/12/2023, whatever job openings have been posted, please show me that with the link so that I can apply in Bangalore location. You can just type a prompt like this. It will just show you all the jobs which are open today in Bangalore location, so that you can directly open the link and apply. You don't need to search, right? It will save your time. You're getting my point? So when they brings Gemini Pro, in that what will be the expectations we have to see? They are telling that this particular Gemini will be launched on 13th of December. That is nothing but today. The video I am recording is on 9th. So we have to see when it comes on 13. I'll record another video for you all. We'll see. We'll experiment with Google Gemini. So build with Gemini. You can see here they are telling it will be coming soon. You can see here available on December 13th. So that's all. You can have a look on this particular website. The interface is very nice of Google Gemini, actually, this particular web page. Now let's go to the drawbacks, what I was discussing with you all. So now you can see this is the BBC report. You can have a look on this. Google admits AI viral video was edited to look better. Actually, the video which you all saw here was, see, this particular video, what you all can see, right? This particular video is actually AI edited. I'll show you all the proof also for that. You can see here, you can read the report here. So the Gemini demo was, which has 1.6 million views on YouTube, shows a remarkable back of forth with an AI response in real time, spoken word prompts and video. Actually, what they are telling in this particular, you can have a look on this particular article. Actually, what they are telling is it's nothing but this particular video, right? Before creating this particular video, they have given some prompts to that particular model. They have given some instructions, you can say, based on this you have to do this. So based on the instructions it has done. It is not that the AI itself has taught everything and itself has learned everything and itself it has started to ask the questions and everything. So if it was in that case, many of them were like, some of my friends were like, they were scared, like AI is thinking of itself, now the world will end. Even many of them, they are trolling out in reels also, like Elon Musk has, they'll keep this particular Elon Musk video and they're trying to troll it out, like AI is far more dangerous. Elon Musk have told that, you might have heard that. Based on that, they are trying to show this and they are trying to like make it viral. Actually nothing like that. So let me show you all. This is Google developers article. Here you can see how it was made, interacting with Gemini through multimodal prompting. So they have typed the prompt, based on this you have to do it. So when it comes to this experiment, let's try an experiment. We'll show the picture in to our multimodal Gemini and ask it to describe what it is. So he has showed his fingers. Tell me what you see, Gemini. I see a person's right hand and the hand is open with the fingers separate apart. Now let's try it once again. Gemini. A person knocking on a wood door. I see a hand with two fingers extended, which is a common symbol for the number 2. So you can see here, based on the prompt, whatever prompt the particular person is telling or what they are trying to give it, based on that Gemini is answering out. It is not that it is completely taking everything on by itself and it is not answering everything. I'll attach this particular video link also for you all. You can have a look on this. Each and everything they made, whatever they have recorded the videos and whatever experiments they have made, based on that, whatever prompts they have written, you can have a look on that. Based on that, you will get a nice knowledge or idea how you should write the prompts. Okay, so guys, you can have a look on this. You can see everything is image based, and what Gemini is telling, everything is here. So that's all for today's video. And I forgot to say, let us see like whether Gemini can, when it comes to the coding point, I have not checked that. Yeah, here you can see the coding point also. So for the counting, there is a code, I guess. Yeah, for this. Let's check when it comes to the coding point. When the Gemini is released, we'll see like what Gemini can do. What can we expect from Gemini? Okay, so how accurate the codes will be compared to ChatGPT. Let us even see like what OpenAI is going to do and what Sam Altman is going to do to challenge Google Gemini. So that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Bye bye.